Friday this week.
Why? It's Friday.
Or tomorrow. I mean, either day. I just am going to see X-Men again.
And a specific to this time?
Friday's okay with me.
Okay.
Friday, I don't know. I had a friend who's coming from
don't have
California. So,
Okay,
I don't have to go to the group again. It's really okay. I'll take this.
we don't want you to miss group again. I don't know, Ryan and Kenny, what day you want to meet?
Friday, I don't know. I don't know what time my friend will come here. He's coming from California. So,
Like, I'm free all day Friday, free all day Wednesday, so whichever time it works best. I'm sorry, guys. Or we could do it like 2 hours earlier.
well, Beth, you work, right?
I work, Thursday's my day off, so Thursday I can do it anytime. Wednesday I can be here 4 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, because I get off work at 5:30.
In our time?
No, that's 3:30 your time.
Okay.
But Friday's my late night, and I work at the office, so I don't get home till 9 o'clock, which is 7 o'clock your time. And I don't care what night we do it or what day. Thursday I can do it all day. Wednesday after 4 o'clock your time. Friday, 7 o'clock your time. So you all decide.
See, I could not do it Thursday earlier because I have a field trip from 8 to 4.
Woo.
And then I have a Psych Society thing at 5. So yeah, I'm like, the only time that would work for me Thursday would just be like 6 and later. And then I think Friday could work for me.
I will try on Friday.
What times? Who's supposed? Oh, well, whatever. When's your company coming on Friday?
Mine?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh.
He said he will be here on Friday, but he didn't say any time, so.
Oh.
I'm really sorry, guys.
For a movie? How rude.
I'm sorry. I didn't have the plans. They were made for me.
Whatever. Okay, so if we want to try on Friday, what time do you want to try? I can't do it before 7 o'clock Mountain Time. Well,
Whichever.
I guess I could take some vacation time and come home early, but nah. I don't
No,
wanna
I'll make you take vacation time for it.
So do you want to do 7 o'clock
Whenever.
Friday, or you want?
We can do 7 Friday if that works for everyone.
But that's 9 o'clock your time.
Yeah, that's fine.
Ryan?
Wait, so would that be 7 my time?
Yeah, you're in Rexburg, right?
Yeah.
Yep, 7 your time.
Okay.
Kenny?
And then you go to the Latin dance, right?
That'd be fun.
And do some merengue and bachata, you know.
I'll see.
I will try it. I don't know, but I will try.
Okay.
If it doesn't work out, just do it Thursday, and it's really okay. I'm fine taking the quizzes by myself. I've become a pro at it.
Oops, so not, okay, well.
It's really not the best thing to be proud of, but...
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, I might just need a reminder that it's Friday instead.
Okay. I set my alarm for when I get home Friday. So, hey, Kira, we're going to put you in charge of sending out a text to everybody to remind them.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
We might not have a group meeting this week. Let me see if I can find my phone and put a reminder in. I don't know where it is. I lose everything. I'm really not that organized, as you can tell.
I mean, you can put it in your
All right.
iCloud, and that way it will sync with your phone. So.
I don't know how to do that. I'll figure it out. I'll put it in. I'll write it down. I'll write it
All right.
So,
Do you guys want to do the test? Or do you want to talk about the homework?
are we doing the test? I mean the quiz?
The quiz. Ryan, you good with doing the quiz?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
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 Let's open this bad boy.
This one has 19 questions.
Hopefully it's only true and false.
Ah.
I doubt it. No.
Okay.
Downloads.
I have 4 points. Sweet. Ooh, I need to download those files. Okay. Let's see, where are you guys?
What are these files called? Chapter 12 data.
Chapter 12, data A and B, right?
Mine won't.
Yeah.
Oh, I have such a terrible time with this stuff. It won't open. Urgh.
Which one?
None of them. I can't get them to open.
If you go to the textbook, and then click on the home page, like the main page. And on main page, you have if you scroll down, you can go to course resources, and there's a tab that says data files, and you can get all of those files without having to go through the other options. Without having to go through the other computer.
Yeah, here. You have the data files. And the.
What?
Do you see it? Do you see me?
I do.
You have the main page, schedule data files,
Oh.
and then all the files that we need are there in Excel and with the other program.
Oh, so wait. Where did you where was the Excel ones?
Well, those are the first one on the list.
Those files are the Excel.
So it will say data file Excel, and it will say data file for SPSS.
Bless you.
Thank you.
What's the name of this file?
Chapter 12, data A and data B.
Okay, now guys, when I pull this up, all I get is SPSS. I don't get Excel.
I can send you to your email right now. That's no big deal.
But I wish it would.
Okay. Where are you? Achoo.
Goodness. I don't know why Excel won't come up.
Where are you? There we go. Click to reply.
Did you send it to my Yahoo mail or
To
BYU?
the Yahoo.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Ah, voila, fish and chips.
Okay. Value of the test statistic.
Cool.
Do you get it?
I did. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So, following.
Question number 3. What is the value of the test statistic? How do we find the test statistic?
Compute the test statistic.
What is the test?
Did someone have any idea?
I know that the test statistic is, like, for example, the t,
Oh, okay.
and I'm trying to remember what the formula was for that.
I will tell you. Let me see.
T equals X bar minus the population mean
Mm-hmm.
standard deviation over
What is S? Oh, S is the sample standard deviation. Divided by the square root of n. That one?
yep, I think.
Yeah, that's for t. So x
Wait, what is-
bar minus mu divided by what?
So it's the x bar minus mu times standard deviation, or is it divided by standard deviation?
Divided by standard deviation, and the standard deviation and the square root of n is together divided by
Yep.
the under the division.
So n is 9.
Let me see. So let's start n 9.
And the square root of 9 is 3.
3.
So so it would it be okay, it's a paired data, so it is d minus 0 divided by the standard deviation divided by the square root of the population. So I don't know what d is. Oh, it has it right there. Never mind. So it would be, I need this one. It would be 2.2 divided by 1.1.
Two.
Wait, is it the square root of? No, never mind.
It's the square root of the population. That's the 3. I got 2, but somebody else better do it.
So it's the square root of the population. So it's just divided by 3, or 3 times.
A paired sample T equals
I'm
D minus
completely lost
0.
this assignment.
Huh? D minus 0, which is 2.2 minus 0.
Mhm.
And you divide that by the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. And the square root of n is 3. The standard deviation is,
Not known.
well, it's SD. Isn't it the 3.3, or do I have the wrong thing?
It says on here the population standard deviation is not known.
Well, I
don't know.
Ryan, do you know? Or Kenny?
I am trying to figure it out myself. CD.
Well, it was under the hypothesis testing slide, and it says paired sample, and this is a paired sample, right? Because it's a set of paired data.
Mm-hmm.
And it's D minus 0. And it says let D equals X after negative X before. I don't get that.
Is that where you have to find the difference? Is that what D equals, the difference?
Yeah.
Give us the difference. Wait, which one is this for? Oh, this might not even be for those. Never mind.
Divided by square root of 7. That's square root of n. 3. Let's see. Calculator. 3.3. 1.1.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got 2.
Okay.
Yep. I got 2 too.
Yeah.
2 it is. Okay, so the probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic is 0.0403. Use this probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis test. Yeah, right. All right, guys.
I'm probably going to be next to useless with this, guys. I didn't have time to look at the assignment, so I'm trying to, figure it out as we go. Alright. for way too long. It was like a lot longer than I should have been. And I went looking. Okay.
I think for this one we use the applet.
I was thinking the same thing. And what do we put in the applet? The 0.0403?
I think you'd put the t-score.
Oh, sorry. The 2?
The t. So the test statistic? At least that's what I'm seeing in lesson 12.
Which is the 2.
Yes. And then after that, it's the area to the left of t.
Oh, you know what? It's that other applet, isn't it? It's not the normal probability applet. Or is it?
The normal probability apple. That's the one? Applet? Applet?
That's what I think, but I'm still trying to figure out how to.
Okay.
Lesson 12. And the p-value. It says the p-value is the area to the left of t under the curve. This area is so small it is not illustrated on this plot.
Well, if we did all the area to the left, it would be 0.9772.
Yeah. But I think that's just the normal p-value. Then it says what's the probability of attaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's of 0.0403. I'm trying to figure out how to use that in the applet or just how to use it.
So which one do we take? The left or the right?
To the left?
It's now 0.0201. Maybe I'm wrong.
What did you put in the probability applet?
The number that they give it to us.
Um,
I don't know, the 0.04.
Put in the area score.
what?
The test statistic, does that go in the area box or the z-score box?
I put it in the area, but I can be wrong.
That's where I put it too. All the textbook says is that the p-value.
But you know what? We must only use the normal probability applet because that's all they tell us we need a link to for this test.
Yeah. So does that make our answer 1.747?
What? I don't know. How did you get that?
Well, I put in the 0.0403, and then I only chose the left side, and the z-score that it gave me was 1.747.
That sounds right.
Okay.
I mean, guys, I remind you, I didn't read the assignments. I'm going off reading the textbook right now, but
So you're saying 1.147?
It was 1.747.
1.747.
1.747.
Okay. Should we move on to question 5 then?
Yeah.
Okay. This one we use data A, and we have to find the test statistic. Statistic. Is the level of significance
What?
like it gives us the level of significance that's needed for this?
Test statistic. Hmm. Hmm.
So, the mean difference between the two columns is 31.025.
Okay.
All right, oh, here we go. Okay, so to compute the t-statistic, you take the sample mean difference, which is 31.025 minus 0, so it's 32.025, and you divide it by the standard deviation, divided by the square root of the calculation. Okay, so the population is 10, right? There was 20 pairs.
21.
Oh, then I've got it wrong. I counted 20. I think there's only 20, Kira.
Yeah, there's only 20.
Ready.
I have 21.
That's on the B. We're on A.
I was on A. I have
We're at
23 on
line,
B.
we're at line 21, but the first cell is group 1, group 2, so we don't count that.
Right, right,
Okay.
right. Sorry. Very
Okay.
confused. Okay. Continue. Long
Oh,
day.
The square root of 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is 3.162.
Thank you. But I don't know what the standard deviation is, right? That's we have to, or maybe I don't have the formula right. Oh, it's the sample standard deviation of difference. That's what SD is. What?
Okay, so then
So
how
the
do we find
formula,
that?
huh?
How do we find this sample?
The sample standard deviation of difference.
I don't know how to do this problem, guys. I mean, I have the formula, but I don't have the SPS, and I don't know how to do it in Excel just by myself without the formula, so without the extra program. No, I'll figure it out though.
Ay, 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 ay.
Yeah.
Oh. I think I have to get going because we're having a ward party in the Hinckley building.
World party. What?
Yeah. I think it's going to be indexing. We're having a competition between like which Relief Society and Elders Quorum can do the most. We were going to do just boys against girls, but we would have lost. So So for the next meeting we have, will it be Friday at 7, right?
Yep, I guess.
Okay, sweet. So I'll see you guys then.
Okay.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Okay. So the one that we find the 20, what it was that thing?
The
What it was
for
the
the
name?
T, the top number is 31.025, and we have to divide that by the sample standard deviation of difference divided by the square root of the population. So we have to figure out what the sample standard deviation of difference is.
The difference. Okay. Because I was doing for each group. I was doing the mean for group 1 and group 2 and standard deviation for group 1 and group 2. And then I will do like, oh no, I can do it. Voila. Still 20. Sweet.
It's how much?
That still change it. Oh, that changed. There we go. I will do. I don't know. Those are the numbers that I have. I will show you. La 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 la. Uy. There we go. So I had those numbers. Do you have some of those numbers or not quite? Hmm?
I don't, but
Could you see it?
What do we today do? Find this nonsense.
Because I was doing the standard deviation and the standard error. And everyone is 20, apparently 20.
Deviation that we're.
but the group isn't 20, it's 10.
Yeah. That 20. From 2 to 21 is 20.
Yeah, but it's half of it because they're pairs,
Oh, okay.
right? Aren't they comparing one group to the other?
Because this one, it was the difference. Because I did this one, and then I did the mean, the standard deviation, the error. So, yeah. And I still going. I with hypothesis 0 and alpha 0. No, that's the one. Anyway. That's what I have.
Okay, so what do you think question 5, the answer to that is?
Let me see question 5. This is statistic.
So it's the difference. So do we have to find the difference of each of them, and then after the difference, do we find the standard deviation of all the differences?
Well, the mean of the differences is 31.025. And that's the D with the bar over it, I think.
Okay, the difference is the standard deviation.
What?
Oh, okay.
Well, no, for the SD, I think all we have to do is find the standard deviation of all the differences.
Okay.
So, like, you find the mean of that. Can you put the standard deviation formula into Excel?
The standard deviation formula?
Yeah, but instead of using group 1 or group 2, use the differences column.
Oh yeah, I was doing that. the difference. We have group 1, group 2, and difference. I had 3
Alright, what
columns.
is do you have the number for that?
The standard deviation?
Yeah, of that difference of the differences.
341.1571.
341.1571?
Yeah. Yep.
All right, then that is the standard deviation.
That's the standard
No, that is
deviation from the difference.
That's a big number.
a really big number.
I don't know. That's why I say I might be wrong. Because I was checking, like, yep, that's from C2 to C21. And that's the standard deviation. I mean, I can tweak a little bit. Let's see. If I do that, it will change something. Yeah,
Which
still
standard deviation? We use standard deviation point D,
point C.
P, C?
I use, let me see. Because you have point P, like a
Right.
carrot,
Yeah.
and point S, like a standard.
Uh-huh.
And I was putting the S one.
Okay.
That's the number they give it to me.
And then what do you put in number 1? When
Which-
you, like when you do the standard deviation function
Mm-hmm.
in Excel, and then like number 1 comes up and number 2?
No.
Oh.
Because the only thing it gives me, so I don't know if you can see it or not. You want me to make it bigger?
Oh, just a minute. Let me find you.
Here we go. Can you see it?
Just a sec. Not your fault, it's mine. Okay.
All right, so you took all the differences and you put the standard deviation formula with just the differences?
Yeah. That's what I did. So this one, from the difference, I take the mean, C2 to C21. For this one,
And that's the number I got too, the 31.025.
Okay.
the same thing for the standard deviation. I do the equal standard deviation, from C2 to C21. And that give me the number. Then I give it to you before, 341.
0.157. Okay.
All right, well then, I'm
For
going.
the standard error, I was doing that too.
All right, so then we do 341.1571 divided by 3.162 equals. So the bottom number is 107.8928, and we divide 31.025 by that number.
That's for the,
I think question number 5.
Yeah.
equal, okay. Let's see if I got the same number.
All right, I got 0.2876. Well, 288. We're rounding up.
Mm-hmm.
What? Why did I not even get close to that? Oh, yep.
What?
Yep,
Yep.
I got it. I don't know what I did before. Heaven only knows.
Okay.
What do you got?
288.
I might wrong.
What did you get?
Hmm. Are we looking for the t value or whatever it's called?
The T
Yeah.
statistic? Yeah.
I have minus because we're doing the difference, right?
No, we already have the difference.
Oh. Because I was doing group 1, group 2, and group and difference. So I had 3 numbers.
Oh, you got the difference, the 31.025, right?
1.0. Nope, I don't have that one.
That was on your spreadsheet you just showed us.
Really?
Yeah, it was.
Okay. I believe you.
Okay.
If you can read that, this is the formula that we're supposed to be putting in. We're solving.
Right.
Let me see.
And that's what we're.
Right.
You need the formula again?
Oh, okay. Oh, so you do the sum or 31. Okay.
Yeah.
What did you do the 31?
And that's how we got.
The 31.025 is the mean of the differences.
But it's
Sorry, my
minus.
handwriting's atrocious.
But it's minus.
Well, you had it on that. I saw
Yeah,
it.
I saw it right now.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, I think we're on question 6.
Yeah, I just put it in to the normal.
Because you have that one.
Probably I got 0.559 on the left.
H4, it will be. Okay. So you are with the mean minus which one? Which number?
Where are
What?
you?
Oh, sorry. Never mind. Anyway.
Okay. So to find the p-value, we just put it into the probability applet and just choose the left side, right?
Everything to the left.
All right. And I got 0.559.
Okay.
And because the level of significance is 0.10, it's smaller than the level of significance, which means that we reject the null hypothesis.
So the second one, reject.
Yes.
Agreed.
We reject it. Okay. We don't like it.
Okay. So for question 8, suppose your alternative hypothesis is instead that formula, which is the correct decision based on this evidence. What does that mean?
Excuse
So
me.
it's operated. How does that change it?
So before we had the null hypothesis was that it was equal to 0, and now we're saying that it is greater than 0.
All right, well, that's true. It is greater than 0, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
So then would it be the third one then?
That's what I was going to say.
Okay. Cool. I'm going with that.
What do you say, Kenny? You good with that?
Ooh. Okay. Yeah.
Oh.
Which one
You're
you
so
want?
funny.
The first, the second, the third, or the fourth?
The third.
Which one do you say?
The third.
The third. And then we are doing the same? Okay.
All right. I have to find which is greater. How do we find the degree of freedom?
Just a second.
Okay.
I don't know, actually. I'll see if I have it in my notes.
Yeah, I'm looking in the textbook to see what it says.
No, now we do with a number. Okay. The other data.
Okay, number 9.
Yeah.
So N is the pairs of samples, and that's 11.
Okay.
And DF is
The degrees of freedom.
And see, they didn't tell us how to do that. They just had us put it in SPSS, which I can't get to work.
Yeah, and it doesn't work on mine very well either because it's an Apple and it's stupid. Kenny, are you on SPSS?
Which one? The file?
Yeah.
I got the file.
You got what? Oh.
Can you find the DF?
Oh, what is DS?
The degrees of freedom?
Oh, okay. How do I do that?
I
You
don't
put
know.
it in SPSS?
I don't know. You just use the magic formula and it works somehow.
You've got all kinds of magic formulas there, Kenny.
What is the name of this? Degree of freedom?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let me see very quickly.
What is the subtract formula in Excel called?
What is what?
When you're trying to just subtract something, how do you, like, what is the formula for it? Can you just, oh wait, just kidding. Let me see.
You put equals, and then you put the formula, or then you just click on the cell you want to subtract, put a minus sign in, click on the other formula.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You got
Welcome.
it. Yeah.
Okay, to find a percentile, use the TINV function.
Who?
Okay, for the degrees of freedom. To find a percentile, use the TINV function. It has two arguments, probability and degree of freedom. If you enter A in the probability box and N minus 1 in the degree of freedom box, then it outputs. What?
I'm not gonna lie. I'm working on the next question.
I'm not going to lie, I'm glad.
I'm not going to lie. I'm lost.
We could just guess, and if it's wrong, we just do it the right way the other time.
Oh.
I am awful.
No. Okay, let's do this.
Okay. Let's see here. TNV. Oh, TINV.
Oh, duh. I need another column, that's why. Good job, Kenny, good job.
Well, this makes no sense to me. To find the degrees of freedom, I don't get it.
And Gloria, try to do it. I will try very hard. There we go, now it makes sense.
Okay.
Somehow. There we go. Now the numbers are starting to look. I need to make how rude the program. Copy paste it doesn't work very good. Here we go. Change that change. Yep. Hopefully I have the right numbers.
Undo. No. Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Did you find the degrees of freedom?
Degree of freedom. There we go. Show me how to do this. Okay, I had the mean, the standard error, the median, and the deviation. Oh, I don't know how the sample variance. Anyway. Oops.
Did you get the p-value, Kira?
I'm working on it.
Gotcha.
All right.
Okay. Are we doing with the difference, or are we doing with the group 1 or 2?
I don't know.
Because if we are doing the same thing like the other one, I had some numbers.
All right, what are your numbers?
Okay. For the mean is minus 11.9545.
Oh, I didn't get 11. I didn't get a minus, but I got 11.9545.
Okay. For the standard deviation, I had 6.3070.
I got 15.0031.
Oh.
But yours probably.
Oh, I know what it is. Huh. That's why. It was doing the standard deviation for B and then C. How rude.
Oh, okay. So what is the standard deviation for the differences?
13.7040.
Did you say it was 15?
I wonder. Okay.
I got 15.
15? Oh, okay. I know what it is. 14. I have 14 for the standard deviation.
14 even?
No, 14.0724.
What do you have, Kira?
What?
What did you get for the standard deviation? Kenny got 14.0724.
Oh, that's right. It's 15. Sorry.
What is it?
It's 15.0031.
Okay.
Because I did a copy paste from the other one and my numbers are kind of messed up. So I'm fixing it right now. Okay, 82 to 823.
All right, then I'm getting the.
Here we go. Here we go.
546 divided by 4. All right. I kept getting that the p-value is greater than the p-value is greater than 1, so because the answer I got was 2.643. So that's the area. And it won't give me the p-value on the applet form because it's too big.
For the p-value, I have 0.9993. And like I told you, I can be wrong. That's why I'm checking.
Well, yeah, I'm double check as well. So do the square root of the group, which is 11, right?
Yep.
Okay, and we divide 15.00
By 3.317.
31, yeah, and that answer is 15.0031 divided by 3.316. That is 4.524. We divide 11.956
Oh, God.
divided by 4.524, and then we get, oh, I was a little off, 2.642. We put that in the applet form, 2.642, and it says that the area has to be smaller than 1.
So the p-value for question 10 is the 2.642.
I don't know what the p-value is supposed to be. One sec, let me look at the 11. One second, I'm going to check something. We might have been putting it in the wrong spot this entire time. Okay. We've been putting it in the wrong spot. We're not supposed to put it in the area box. We're supposed to be putting it in the
The z-score?
score,
Right.
because that's what we're solving for. Yeah. We have to go through all of the other problems with the p-value and switch it from the area box to the z-score box, or else the answers will be wrong. But for this one, the answer is 0.008. All right. P-score for this one. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. It's not. It's 0.004, not 0.008. Had it on both of them by accident.
So then number 11, we would reject the null hypothesis because 0.004 is less than the level of significance, which is 0.01, right?
So we're rejecting it, right?
Yeah. It says reject the null hypothesis if the p-value is less than the level of significance.
Okay. Cool.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So 5, the answer. Question 6. Answer is not 0.559. The answer is 0.387. Because we have an area box, not the Z box.
Okay.
Makes the other one too.
So are we rejecting the null hypothesis?
Oh, for this. Yeah, we still reject it because it's still smaller for
Okay.
number 7. And then for number 4, the answer is 0.023. Okay.
But I thought we did put 2 in. Did you? Okay. But if you put 2 in as the z-score and everything to the left of it, the area is 0.9772. We don't, did you put, is that what you used, was 2 for question 4? What happened to Kira?
I'm back.
Okay.
It was really weird.
Mm-hmm.
So,
We still don't know the degrees of freedom for number 9.
before.
For the degrees of freedom, I believe.
Okay, well, I'm putting N.
Yeah, N is bigger the degree of freedom.
Okay, so it's N is bigger,
Yeah.
or 11 is bigger than the degrees of freedom?
Yeah, because N minus 1, that's the degree of freedom.
10. Okay, you're right.
Okay.
Okay,
So then 12 would making. No, sorry. 12. Would that increase the p-value? Because it's greater than 0 now?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So then would that make it, would we still reject the hypothesis, or would we fail to reject the hypothesis?
Hmm.
Would we still fail? Would we still reject it because the level of significance is still 0.1?
I would think so,
Okay.
because I think that's what it is
Then that
dependent on.
works. Okay. Then what would 14 be? Based on your response from the previous question, what conclusion do you make?
Maybe can be based on the response, previous questions.
I think that the answer is the third one, but I don't know.
go for it.
Okay.
We have sufficient. Okay. As we have seen, the p-value depends on the alternative hypothesis. In general, which alternative hypothesis will give the smallest p-value? Not equal to 0, less than 0, not enough information, depends on the problem, and greater than 0. I thought it was more dependent on what the
Level of significance.
the level of significance was.
I
I mean-
did too. So not depends on the problem.
Not
Yeah.
enough. Yeah.
Cool.
Another one.
Kira.
I want to cry
I want to be done.
Why?
because I don't want to do this anymore. This is the worst.
Only 7 weeks more.
I know.
Oh, just what we did last time.
Yeah. And Kenny, don't you have that on that little Excel sheet?
I don't remember where I put it.
Okay, what's the z-score?
For 95% is 1.96.
Yep.
Okay,
Oh yeah, that's true. 1.60, right? Because we are
Yeah.
using 3 decimals.
1.96.
yeah.
It doesn't say how many
Standard
decimals.
deviation. 15.
Margin.
0.0031 divided by square root of n, which is 3.317. And we zero zero three one 1.96.
Oops. Oh, okay. Here we go. Nope, I did not do anything with that one. I think I didn't save my file.
Oh.
All right. I have mine. So the point estimator, is that where we do the z-score times standard deviation divided by the square root of n?
Oh. Wait, say that again? What are you looking for?
Yes, that is.
Yeah.
I think the answer is 8.865.
For number 16?
Or is that the margin of error? Shoot! I'm going to the last chapter. That's just rude. Wait, we didn't do chapter less than 11. Okay, that's what we did. For this. I
What happened?
don't know. What chapter were we on last time?
11.
Was it chapter 9?
10 and... Oh, wait.
No.
What are we on this? This
What
time we're on
chapter?
Was it chapter 11?
So we were on 9 and 10 last time.
Oh,
Oh, wait, no.
okay.
No, we're on chapter 12. So we were on 10 and 11 last time.
Oh.
Right. I was looking at. Okay, here we go. So 15 is 5. The point estimate is the point estimate. Point estimate is the population, like X bar. That's the point estimate. So.
Oh, so that is the 11, right?
Is that the mean? Yes, that is the 11.
Wait, where does that answer go? Or oh,
So
so 16 is 11.
5.
What did you say, Kira?
Yes, is 16. And then 17 is 8.65.
8.865.
Oh, this thing. Okay.
Yes. So and then you add an status. 16 is 11, and then 17 is 8.86. All right. Does anyone have the answers for the last two? If not, I do.
I don't have them. I have the formula.
3.0 090 and then the upper bound is 20.820.
20 point.
820.
What was for the lower?
No, that's the upper.
So
The
Um,
upper is 3.090.
Oh,
so the lower, it was the 20.
No, the lower is 3.090.
Now I'm confused. Anyway, 3.30, 3. Ah, well,
okay. So the lower is 3.090 and the upper is 20.820.
and the
And
margin
That will be the
of
end of
error?
What did you say?
8.865.
I only hear the two last numbers.
What do you want? Number
8.8.
17? Sorry.
Yeah, 17.
Go
You want it?
17.
Go ahead, Kira. Sorry.
8.865.
Sweet.
Cool.
That was all right.
So,
Mrs. Turkey.
really hope we got these right.
Let's see.
Ugh.
Eeks. Oh, ow.
Oh my gosh.
Crud.
All right, well, I don't have time to go over them again. I guess we can all just try again
Okay.
ourselves. All right. Sorry, guys.
It's okay.
Do you get 50?
Okay.
Yep.
55.
Bye.
All right. Obviously, I, for one, don't understand what's going on. So next time, do not follow me. It will lead you down a path of misery.
I should change that number. Now I get it.
All right. Well, I've got to go. It's late.
Yeah, it is. All right. See you guys. When are we going to meet again, Kira?
Friday.
Yay. All right. See you Friday.
At
Okay.
7. No, 9. Yeah, 7. Okay.